All right, so we're here with Renee in Fountain Hills, Arizona, and Renee just got done attending the High Impact Teams course with her team members. Renee, I'd love for you to just take a couple of minutes to tell us some of your experience and what you got from it, what you're most excited about.
Sure. I am a director of operations, and I brought 2 office managers and an assistant with me. And this course was amazing because we had so much one-on-one time with Heather and Dr. John and Wendy, and it just in a very small, intimate setting. And we got to share a lot of ideas and thoughts with other offices, and even some of the things that we've seen in other meetings just kind of hit different this weekend, just being with a small group and getting to ask lots of questions. And we really took home a lot of great information and a lot of things that we are going to implement when we get home.
Wonderful. If you had to distill down the one thing that you think is the greatest benefit from the weekend, what would it be?
Oh gosh, that's hard because there's a lot of things.
Yeah.
I think just having so much time with you guys, and really getting to ask a lot of questions about the ideas that you guys gave us, and just getting to go home. I think my biggest takeaway was probably about meetings and how to facilitate better meetings and what meetings to have, and really just wanting to bring more fun to our meetings and have more get-togethers where we just go do fun things together, team building and things like that.
Awesome. When we talk about the ability to help people make a bigger impact, people really only want to help make a bigger impact when they feel cared for and appreciated. And so I love the fact that you've chosen to use your meeting times in a way to help make a bigger impact on them as well. So that's awesome. Thank you, Renee.
Thank you.